Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to determine a Python's variable type. So basically, we will be making use of the type function that is present that simply takes in a data structure as an argument and returns its data type. So let's say first let me create a string of underscore my name, and let me just quickly call it my string and put in some data, for example I code. So now this is a string data type, and to check this type all we need to do is use a print statement and specify the type function, and within that we need to specify the variable whose type we want to be returned on the output screen, and it's as simple as that. And if you run it, as you can see, it returns the class string. Likewise, if I try to change this variable and create another variable called as my list and create a list of items, for example list of numbers, and now if I try to check the variable for my list, it would return a class of list. So it's as simple as this, making use of the type function present in Python. So that's it from this video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.